Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the 9 review. Another review of a Daiso product. This is going on my Daiso playlist. So this time, it's a mini frying pan in the shape of a dog. So I've reviewed another mini frying pan on this channel, and it did work. But this is for omelets and pancakes, and you can use it on a gas grill, no induction, it says. But it's made for Daiso Japan, and if you don't know what Daiso is, it's a Japanese dollar store where pretty much everything is $1.50. So let's test this out and see if it actually works. All right, first thing I noticed, this is kind of balanced weird. It kind of, I don't know, I'm not sure if this is my burner, the result of my burner. Kind of does that on the stovetop too, but doesn't really want to stay on this. So there we go, we got it balanced. Once we put in the egg in it, it should be fine. All right, so I'm gonna turn it on. Keep it on low so it doesn't go crazy. Put a little piece of butter in there. Let that melt. And then we have our egg here. Let's turn this up. You can get this really hot. All right, so the butter's melting like crazy. It's already hot. Alright, let's turn that down a bit. Sizzling. See, look at that. It doesn't want to stay on there. Alright, there we go. Got it balanced. Once we add the egg, it should balance it out. And there we go. Alright, there we go. Make sure it... I'm going to make this a true test. I was going to cover it up. This should be a very tasty egg. You can see the butter bubbling up on the sides. It made a mess, though. Unfortunately, butter is everywhere. It's really hard to stop that splatter. So lots and lots and lots of cleanup. All right, so here we go. We have the plate, and I'm gonna put the egg down. Actually, let's just try flipping it. Here we go. Oh, we flipped it out. One try. And can you see the dog? Yeah, can you see that on camera? Let me zoom in and try to focus this. Alright, can you see the dog shape? A tiny bit. I mean, you can definitely make out the ears and the chin. So yeah, did exactly what it says it was going to do. Didn't necessarily make the dog shape. But you can do everything in here. You can do pancakes, you can do eggs like this one. Probably this would work better for pancakes. Not, you know, omelets or things like that. So let's test it out, see if it tastes good. I have a feeling it will because it's coated in butter. And yeah, that's a great tasting egg. So if you're looking for something like this, it might be something to try. I mean, it's only $1.50, so why not? Test it out, see if you like it. So it's recommended. If you like my videos, please subscribe. If you want to support my content, go to patreon.com/9mals. Also, you can shop the products that I review on my channel. Just go to my new Amazon shop. That's all in the description, so check it out. Until next time, I'll see you later.